In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect the Sonos speaker to your phone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do this is to ensure that you have the latest version of the Sonos app installed on your Android or iPhone device. After updating the app, you can open up the latest version of the app, and inside it, you need to navigate over to the System tab. Within Settings and System, you should have the first option, which is Products. Simply click Add Product and be near or close to your Sonos speaker. When you click Add Product, it should take a while to load, but it should automatically detect this speaker if you are close to it. If it gets properly detected, you can simply set up this product and wait for the installation to be done. Alternatively, something else you might want to try is to set it up using Bluetooth. If your device allows it, press the Roam button on the Sonos speaker and you will be prompted to add the speaker through Bluetooth to your phone without using the app. Any of these methods work and they will allow you to set up your Sonos speaker properly after pairing it up on your phone. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect a Sonos speaker on your phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.